Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you in Seoul and tired of trying to balance your laptop on a tiny table in a crowded cafe? Are you looking for a spot with great coffee, reliable Wi-Fi and enough space to actually get some work done? Well, today, I'm taking you to Seoul's trendiest neighborhood, Seongsu-dong, to show you my top 3 laptop-friendly cafes. Seongsu was once an industrial area filled with shoe factories, but now it's a vibrant hub for artists, designers and creatives, making it the perfect place to find inspiration and productivity. So grab your laptop and let's go find your new favorite office. Our first stop is a Seongsu icon Daelim Chango Gallery. This place is massive. It's a converted rice mill and warehouse that now serves as both a cafe and an art gallery. The high ceilings and spacious layout mean you'll never feel cramped. And there are large communal tables perfect for spreading out your work. Power outlets are plentiful along the walls, and the Wi-Fi is fast and stable. The industrial chic vibe, with exposed brick and contemporary art, creates a really stimulating environment. You can grab a coffee or a light meal, and spend hours here soaking in the creative atmosphere while you crush your to-do list. Next up, we're heading to a spot with a slightly cozier, but equally impressive feel Grandpa Factory. Don't let the name fool you, this place is incredibly stylish. It's another warehouse-style cafe, but with beautiful wooden architecture and tons of natural light. It has multiple floors with a variety of seating options, from regular tables to more relaxed sofa areas. I've found it to be a reliable spot for getting work done, especially on weekdays. They have great coffee and a delicious brunch menu. If you plan on staying for a while, it's a fantastic place to feel both productive and relaxed at the same time. Our final stop is for serious coffee lovers, who also need to get work done, Center Coffee. While it's a bit smaller than the other two, Center Coffee is famous for its high-quality specialty coffee. The minimalist, clean interior is designed to help you focus. There are designated seating areas that are well-suited for working on a laptop. And the quiet, calm atmosphere is a huge plus. It's the perfect spot for when you need to concentrate and power through a project, fueled by some of the best coffee in Seoul. So there you have it, 3 amazing laptop-friendly cafes in the heart of Seongsu-dong. Whether you need a massive creative space like Daelim Chango, a stylish and comfortable spot like Grandpa Factory, or a quiet place with incredible coffee like Center Coffee, Seongsu has you covered. I hope this guide helps you find your perfect workspace in Seoul. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and let me know in the comments which cafe you'd visit first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.